For a person who's demonstrated poor endurance or poor essential strength to elevate their arm against gravity, oftentimes a gravity-reduced position of sideline will help to support the recovery of motor activity on a repetitive level. So Scott, go ahead and just execute motions across this plane. So it's typically very comfortable for a patient to execute this motion. And again, with my hands being free, I can guide components of the kinetic system. Oftentimes the scapula becomes sluggish in its contribution, so if we integrate in a manner that the body isn't inclined to promote compensations, you're much more likely to get the changes you want with respect to functional tasks. And oftentimes the ribs also become limited, restrictive in a patient who's been in a sling, who's altered their walking, who's altered their breathing because of pain. So it's just a mechanism that you can bring back